Discover the Eiffel Tower, from its controversial beginnings in Paris to becoming a global icon of innovation and resilience. Join us for a journey into the heart of the City of Lights. In the heart of Paris, the City of Lights stands a monument that captures the essence of French creativity and the spirit of innovation. The Eiffel Tower, a marvel of engineering and architectural genius, rises above the cityscape, drawing millions of visitors from around the globe. But how did this iconic structure come to be? Our journey through the history and legacy of the Eiffel Tower begins in an era of bold ambitions and visionary ideas. The story of the Eiffel Tower starts not in Paris, but in Barcelona, where Gustave Eiffel first proposed his daring design. Gustave Eiffel, an engineer renowned for his work on bridges and structural engineering, was no stranger to controversy. He designed numerous bridges, including the Garabit Viaduct in France and the Maria Pia Bridge in Portugal, both of which showcased his innovative use of wrought iron and structural engineering technique. Okay, let's go back. Barcelona, a city known for its vibrant culture and architectural wonders, was initially envisioned as the home for Eiffel's Tower. However, the project was met with skepticism. Critics dismissed the design, fearing its avant-garde structure would clash with the aesthetic values of the city. It was a decision that would lead Eiffel to Paris, where the World's Fair of 1889 awaited an emblem to commemorate the centennial of the French Revolution. Paris embraced Eiffel's vision, and the stage was set for the creation of what would become a global icon. The foundation phase of the Eiffel Tower's construction is a testament to the extraordinary precision, ingenuity, and foresight that marked the project from its inception. The task of creating a foundation strong enough to support the world's tallest structure at the time required not just an understanding of engineering principles, but also a visionary approach to problem solving. Contrary to the assumption that materials were primarily imported, the bulk of the Eiffel Tower's iron actually came from the puddling furnaces of the Pompeii forges in France. These forges were among the few capable of producing the quantity and quality of iron needed for such an unprecedented project. Over 7,300 tons of iron were used in the construction, with each piece specifically molded for its unique place in the tower's lattice structure. Only after meeting the substantial needs from within France did the project source additional materials from neighboring countries: steel from Belgium, rivets from Romania, and specialized iron from the mines of Spain, each selected for their specific properties that would contribute to the tower's durability and stability. The foundation work began in January 1887 and involved 4 massive bases planted at each corner of the tower's square base, designed to anchor it solidly to the ground. With the foundations in place, construction moved at an unprecedented pace. The use of prefabricated iron components, all produced with exact specifications, allowed for the tower to rise steadily. By the end of 1887, the first level had been completed. In 1888, the second level was finished, and by March 1889, the tower reached its full height of 300 meters, 984 feet, a monumental feat that was achieved through the assembly of over 18,038 individual iron parts. joined together by 2.5 million rivets. The tower's final height, including antennas added later, reached 330 meters, 1,083 feet, making it the tallest man-made structure in the world at the time. This incredible height was not just for spectacle. It served practical purposes, such as broadcasting radio signals across Paris and beyond. The Eiffel Tower's construction was a marvel of modern engineering, showcasing the potential of iron as a building material. The project was completed on schedule for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, with the tower serving as the fair's entrance arch. The success of the project was due in no small part to the meticulous planning and execution of the foundation work, proving that with the right combination of innovation, materials, and determination, even the sky is not the limit. Completed in 1889, the Eiffel Tower stood as a testament to human ingenuity and the industrial age's possibilities. Yet, its reception was mixed. Some Parisians derided the tower as an eyesore, a stark contrast to the classical beauty of the city's architecture. Gustave Eiffel defended his work by saying, "Because we are engineers. Do you think beauty does not concern us in our constructions? That when we make them solid and durable, we do not also strive to make them elegant?" The first principle of architectural aesthetics is that the essential lines of a monument must be determined by a perfect appropriateness to its purpose. So, what did I consider above all in the case of the tower? Its resistance to wind. Well, I maintain that the curved lines of the monument's four edges, which narrow as they ascend to the summit, will give an impression of great strength and beauty, for they will translate to the eyes the boldness of the design as a whole, just as the numerous openings in the structure's elements will show a constant care not to unnecessarily expose to the violence of storms surfaces dangerous for the stability of the edifice. Continuing, Gustave made a comparison with the pyramids, saying just like the tower, they do not have a resonant design, yet anyone leaves full of admiration after seeing them. Beyond its initial role as a symbol for the World's Fair, the Eiffel Tower found new purposes over the years. It served as a military radio tower during World War I, a meteorological station, and a beacon for scientific exploration. Gustave Eiffel's private apartment at the summit hosted distinguished guests, including Thomas Edison. It's worth mentioning that no one has ever been able to rent this apartment. To demonstrate how the French came to love the tower is the way they decided to protect it during World War II. When, during the German occupation, the cables of the tower's elevators were cut. This way, if someone wanted to ascend the tower, they had to do so by climbing the approximately 1,700 stairs, ensuring that no Nazi flag ever flew above the tower. The option to climb the stairs remains available today for tourists who choose not to use the elevator. Today, the Eiffel Tower stands not just as a monument to engineering brilliance, but as a symbol of love, inspiration, and resilience. Its lights illuminate the Parisian sky, a beacon for travelers and dreamers alike. As we reflect on the tower's journey, from a contested piece of architecture to one of the world's most beloved landmarks, we are reminded of the power of vision, the beauty of innovation, and the enduring allure of Paris itself. The story of the Eiffel Tower is a powerful tribute to the resilience of the human spirit, a reminder that from skepticism and challenge can arise a monument that touches the hearts of millions. In the City of Lights, it stands as a source of inspiration and a symbol of the timeless charm and elegance of Paris.